Oh, pass it out, for Christ's sake. Look at him. He's taking it for a bloody sightseeing tour of Milan now. Get rid of it, ma'am!
What's that, for goodness sake?
Oh, give me a break. Why don't you just gift wrap the bloody ball and tie a ribbon on it for him?
No, come in. Jack, it's Mr. Meldrew from across the road. They just had a robbery. It's just there, love. Help yourself. Isn't that terrible?
Dear, oh dear. When was this morning?
Just now. We've both been out shopping. I mean, we'd only been gone an hour, and we came back, and the whole place has been absolute... hello. Could I have the police, please?
Uh-huh. You see? I told you they were burglars. That's 50p you owe, mate. Oh, you've got to be joking. I don't know why this referee isn't wearing an Italian shirt. I really don't.
What do you mean?
Sorry?
What do you mean there's 50p she owes you? What do you mean told her they were burglars?
Well, there were these four men earlier on, dressed a bit like the SAS.
Doing what?
Well, they were coming out of your front door carrying a three-piece suite. One of them winked at me and gave me the thumbs-up sign, so naturally I assumed they were removal men.
Winked at you and gave you the thumbs-up sign?
Removal men be buggered. I said to her, I bet they're stealing his furniture. Oh, no. You've been watching too many episodes of Crime Watch was all I got. Oh, this could be dangerous. Wow, well saved, yes!
You mean you watched them taking it out and all you did was say, I bet you they're burglars? They were ransacking my bloody house!
They were as nice as ninepence to us, weren't they? I mean, didn't spill any crumbs on the carpet or anything.
Yes, but you can't go by appearances. That's the way they get away with that sort of... What do you mean didn't spill any crumbs on the carpet? They weren't in here, were they?
He said it was very thirsty work. The one with the tattoo on his nose. Said he could murder a mug of quick brew.
Very thirsty work, I should think it bloody was. There they were, stripping my house to bits in broad daylight, as merry as you please, and you invite them in for morning tea. What is this, Buster Edwards' private catering company?
And 2 boxes of Mr. Kipling's almond slices they wolfed back between the 4 of them. Talk about gannets. I wonder they didn't eat the plates. I'll tell you this, I'm beginning to regret giving them that jump start for their van now. Whoa! Just save the woodwork! Bad luck, my son!
Jump start for the... You're not serious.
Well, the van wouldn't start. The battery was flat. I mean, we were only trying to be good Samaritans.
Good Samaritan. Oh, hello. Yes, I'd like to report a burglary, please. And 2 extremely brutal murders.